Divide 879 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting, we get 0. So 879 divided by 3 is 293. So this much for today and thanks for watching.